If you want your WooCommerce store to look more professional and engaging, customizing your product page is the best place to start. It helps create a better shopping experience and makes your brand stand out. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Appearance, then click Editor. This opens your site editor. On the left sidebar, go to Templates and look for Single Product. If it's not there, click Add New Template and choose Product. This sets up your custom layout for product pages. Inside the editor, you will see the default design. Start by adding a group or columns block to organize your layout. Then add WooCommerce blocks like product title, product image, and product price. Include the product rating block for reviews, and don't forget the Add to Cart button so customers can easily make a purchase. To make your page more informative, add the product data tabs block for extra details like shipping info or specifications, and finish with a short, clear product description. Adjust spacing, alignment, and colors until the page fits your store's style. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the design across all product pages. And that's it. Your WooCommerce product page is clean, modern, and ready to impress. Thanks for watching and happy designing.